Hey y'all, welcome back to Robe Trotting. Today is Vlogmas day 18, which means we're only 1 week until Christmas. And on the last Saturday before the big day, we're gonna give you 3 different Christmas cocktails.
Yeah, and for those of you that have been on the journey with us the whole time through, welcome back and thank you for joining us. But if you're new, we should introduce ourselves. I'm Mike, and when it comes to drinks at Christmas time, I'm a simple beer guy.
And I'm Derek, and I only like top elf liquor. Let's get started.
So for our first drink we're going to make is going to be a gingerbread eggnog cocktail. So it seems like we have a lot sitting on the table right now, but it's actually pretty easy to make. All we're going to do is mix some eggnog that you may have seen us make a couple of days ago on Vlogmas. We're going to add some Baileys, we're going to add some vodka, we're going to put a little bit of ginger on there as well to add some flavor, and rim the glass with some cinnamon sugar. Pretty simple. So let's go ahead and get the mixer, get some ice. Here, we'll then do a good amount of eggnog here. Take a couple shots of vodka. I already have a double shot sitting here. Next, we're going to add some Baileys. We decided to get some scrumptious salted caramel Baileys for this occasion as well. A little extra flavor in there, never hurts. Okay, throw that in the glass. Go ahead and shake it up. Now, before we take the drink and put it into the glass, we're going to want to rim it with some cinnamon sugar mixture that we have. So just wet the top of the glass, dip it in, get a nice sugary cinnamony rim on there. Then you just pour it in the drink. And garnish with some ginger to give that nice gingerbread flavor. All right, it's that simple, but not ready to drink quite yet. I think we're missing something. Hey! All right, Derek, let's see how it is.
Oh, that's good.
See, that's good.
All right, this is pretty good, but I have one in store that I want to make for you now.
Let's see what you got.
Okay, now I'm going to show you how to make a peppermintini, and just so you know, you can serve this on the rocks or you can serve it up. I'm going to do it on the rocks. The first thing I'm going to do is take my shaker and fill it with ice. Okay, that should do. Now I'm going to do a double shot of mint. I can smell it from here. In you go. Now I'm going to do a double shot of cream. And a single shot of vodka. Here we go. Now the cap goes back on, but before I shake, I'm going to take my glass and I'm going to rim it in candy cane. Now it's time to shake and serve. Dying. Drinks on me. Okay, well, Vlogmas is no joke. Let's try that again. And ready to pour. Oh, Mikey, let's try it.
All right, let's see what you made. See if it's as good as the one I made before. Love that peppermint smell.
Right?
Oh, it's very refreshing.
Yeah, it's a
I like
good
that
one.
a lot. Well done. It's a nice, refreshing, minty flavor, kind of the perfect flavor that you want of a nice Christmas night by the fire. I like that one a lot.
Yeah.
Well done, that.
I could drink this all Christmas.
Yeah.
Well, there's one more to make, and let's do it together. What do you say?
Yeah, let's definitely do it together. This one has ice cream in it. All right, Derek, so for our nightcap, we're going to bring in one of our favorite things, which is a little bit of ice cream, a little bit of Bailey's, a little bit of hot cocoa. We're going to make a drunken snowman.
I love it.
So the first thing we're going to want to do is to rim the glass with a little bit of chocolate.
Okay.
Let's do that over here.
Now the next step, we're going to add some vanilla ice cream.
Yes. Next, we're going to put a shot of Bailey's, a double shot of Bailey's on each of these to give it a little bit of alcohol.
Just a little bit of Bailey's, you know, like Grandma would drink. And now finally, we're going to top off this concoction with some hot cocoa.
But wait, there's more. There's actually one secret ingredient that we're missing. Whipped cream. And then the best part of any cocktail recipe, drinking it.
I don't know if I should say Skol or Velvet Cum.
Talk. Oh, that's delicious.
Super good.
That is delicious. Chocolatey, creamy, heavenly. This is nice.
Best part of Christmas. Okay guys, there you have it. 3 easy Christmas cocktails that you can make yourself anytime between now and Christmas, and heck, I would even have it in January. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you give it a like if that's the case, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and hit the bell for notifications so that you can be the first one to watch our videos as they come out every day between now and Christmas Day. And they'll keep coming after that too, don't worry.
Yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Enjoy the cocktails. Let us know in the comments what you think about them.
And don't forget to drink responsibly.
Always. Bye, guys.
Valeu.
Valeu.